Good morning, dear student. I am Mahesh Das Mahan, your English teacher. Today we will study Honeysuckle, chapter 5, a different kind of school. Okay, so please pay attention to understand it. Okay, dear student, a different kind of school is a different kind of school. Okay, writers thought that I last week chance to come to visit it. Okay, and said that, and he explained that when I arrived there, there is no one, but only a girl of 12 years, okay, covered with bandage, is there, and a boy is carefully taking her from flower beds. Okay. And now we see that Miss Beam is the headmaster of this school. Okay. She is middle-aged, full of authority and kindly understanding, and her hair is beginning to grey also. And she had a kind and a plump figure, and comforting to a homesick child she is able to. Okay, and Miss Beams told that simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing, we need to help them in solve them and learn how to this change. Okay, they learn by doing. They learn by doing. They also develop citizenship, thoughtfulness, and kindness to others. Okay, and become a responsible citizens. Okay, when writer told about Miss Beams what are your teaching strategies, Miss Beams said that learn by doing. Okay, Miss Beams said learn by doing. Okay, and writers saw that many difficulties, problems are there in school, but in these questions, writers saw that many handicaps or bandaged, some lame, some blind students are there. But Miss Beams told that there is a kind of strategy. There is a lame day, blind day, and deep day. Okay, for the student for whole day, because they can understood the pity and sorrow of others from this. Okay, and this is very important part of our system to make children appreciate and understand misfortune. Okay, we make them share in misfortune too. Each term, every child has no blind day, one blind day, one lame day, or deep day, or injured day, or dumb day. During the blind day, their eyes were bandaged with absolutely, and they are their honor to keep, not keep to peep. Okay, dear students, in this way, Miss Beams treat the students for how to feel, okay, for the others people. Okay, in this way, when writers said that, but you are not as careful as I be when it is my turn. Those I have been blind already are the rest helpless. It is perfectly ghastly not to see. I wish you would try. Okay. The teacher asked to, why do you totally blind, bandage your eyes? Why can't you see? The student said that I am my bandage today, so I can't see anymore. Okay. In this way, dear students, this is the different kind of school. In this way, Miss Beams make personality, develop personality, and learn by doing this. So we work on gradually. I discovered that I was 10 times more thoughtful than I ever thought I could be. I also realized that if I had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to me when I finally had to leave. I told Miss Beams that I was very sorry to go. Ah, she replied, then there is something in my systems after all. Dear students, in this way, Miss Beams teach students and she make a good citizen and thoughtful persons. Okay. So that is a different kind of a school. Okay. I have explained the chapter. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.